Sa lahat ng naghahanap ng solid, disruptive opportunity, pakinggan nyo mabuti at panoorin ang ating presentation with an open mind. Nilaunch officially ang Live Good noong December 2022 sa Florida, USA with a mission to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Maiintindihan nyo lalo tong misyon ng Live Good sa susunod na slide dahil ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga produkto na pinagsama ang affordability at quality. Everything rises and falls on leadership, and we're proud to say na ang mga founders ng Live Good led by CEO Mr. Ben Glinsky ay may malawak na experience sa industriya ng network marketing at may passion and commitment to change and do what is right for the industry. For the past 5.5 months, grabe ang pagdami ng Live Good members. It's spreading like a wildfire here in US at buong mundo. Without a doubt, aabot ng 1 milyon ang paid members ng Live Good sa mga susunod na buwan. Never been done in the history of affiliate/network marketing industry. The timing is perfect para sumali sa Live Good dahil nasa formulation stage pa lang tayo. This is the time you want to position yourself. In the words of Live Good's Director of Network Marketing, Noder Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products to a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. Nakakalungkod na sa industriya ng network marketing ang isang produkto na $10 ang production cost ay minamarkup ng 8 to 10 times so a few people can make a lot of money, drive expensive cars, and CEOs can fly private jet. Habang ang isang single mother o mga taong ginawa ng paraan para sumali sa isang opportunity ay hirap makaangat o kumita. It's time for a change and fix a broken industry, and Live Good is here. Pinagsama ng Live Good ang affordability at quality. Live Good's products are made in USA and made from the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. The manufacturing of Live Good's products strictly follows GMP or Good Manufacturing Practice. Kaya nakakasiguro tayo na safe, pure at effective, lab-tested for purity and potency. In fact, nasa website ng mga certificate of analysis for everyone to see. Tignan natin ang ilan sa mga produkto. Bioactive Complete Multivitamin for Men for only $9.95. Mga competitors natin ay $47 and $29. Big difference. Bioactive Complete Multivitamin with Iron for Women for only $9.95. Very affordable. Ultra Magnesium Complex for only $8.95. Triple ang ibang companies. Maraming benefits ang magnesium. Habang tumatanda tayo, nagiging deficient tayo. Magnesium plays many crucial roles in the body. Sinusuporta nito ang mga muscles, nerves, bones at energy production. Kapag bababa ka sa magnesium, prone ka sa risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes at osteoporosis. Next product, Factor 4, top-selling product for advanced inflammation management. Pag may chronic inflammation ka, it can lead to serious diseases like heart disease, stroke, cancer, diabetes, arthritis, kidney at liver diseases at marami pang serious illnesses. CBD or cannabidiol, very powerful product extracted from the hemp plant. Maganda sa anxiety, nervous system disorders, chronic pain at many more. Wow, see the difference in price. Makakabili ka ng 3 to 4 bottles of Live Good CBD versus 1 bottle sa ibang kumpanya. By the way, di pa legalize ang CBD sa maraming countries, kaya bago kayo mag-order, check nyo muna. Dito sa US and I believe Canada as well, legalize na. Marami pa tayong produkto na pwede nyong malaman lahat yan. Tanungin nyo lang yung nag-share sa inyo ng video na to. Nakita nyo yung mga products, combination of affordability and quality. Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang business concept ng Live Good. Marahil narinig nyo na ang Costco. Meron sa Pilipinas yung version ng Costco, yung S&R. Costco is an American multinational company. Nag-operate to on a chain of membership or subscription. Member ako for the past 12 years at bilang isang member, Nabibili ko ng mas murang mga groceries, gas, household products at marami pang iba. Merong 107 million card holders at roughly $3.5 billion ang revenue ng Costco. Netflix, same concept. Mag-subscribe ka at makakapanood ka ng discounted movies anytime at the comfort of your home. Merong 230 million subscribers ang Netflix. Andyan din ang Sam's Club with 70 million members, Amazon Prime merong 200 million members, at Spotify with 210 million premium subscribers. Ito ay nagpapatunay na ang membership club model ay siyang trend at well accepted na sa mga tao dahil it provides more value to the members. Ganyan din ang concept ng Live Good. Club membership din, pero Live Good is the club membership that pays. Say that again. Live Good is the club membership that pays. Sinishare ng Live Good ang kanyang revenue to its affiliates through its unique, generous, and powerful pay plan. Parehas ang concept but big difference on how the revenue is shared. Naipakita ko sa inyo kanina some of the health and wellness products ng Live Good. Umpisa lang yan. Live Good plans to have more products, and with this concept, pwedeng idagdag ang cosmetics and beauty products, household products, water filtration machines, digital products and services. You name it, pwede. At mabibili ng wholesale ng mga members. Remember, Amazon started with books, and Live Good started with health and wellness products. And more to come for sure. You probably heard the saying, if you have a dream, you have to build a team. In any team building opportunity, mahalaga yung paano i-build yung team. Kung paano i-place ng system ang mga members and make it a win-win for everyone. Dito tayo nagtutulungan. First, hindi unilevel ang Live Good. Sa unilevel, wide ka ng wide pero hindi mo natutulungan mga partners mo na lumaki ang kanilang organization. High attrition, low retention ng unilevel. At ito yung structure ng Jurassic MLM companies. Second, hindi rin tayo binary. Sa binary, normally binabayaran ka sa short leg, may flush out, capping at mga heavy hitters lang ang kumikita. Ang team building structure ng Live Good ay 2x15, 2 wide and 15 deep. Sa matrix, spots are filled from top to bottom, left to right on a first come first serve basis. Remember that, on a first come first serve basis. Ang system na ang maglalagay ng mga affiliates. So ito ka, nasa top ka ng organization mo, yung first affiliate mo sa left, mapupunta yung next sa right, assuming na yung 2 spots ang bakante na positions. Kaya sa level 1, may 2 affiliates ka, at yung next dito, and then dito, left to right, and then dito and dito. So sa level 2, meron kang 4 affiliates. Parehas lang sa level 3 and the rest of the levels. Sa level 3, may 8 ka. And then from top to bottom, spots will be filled. Okay? So sa level 4, meron kang 16, and then 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048, 4,096, 8,192, 16,384, at sa level 15, pwede kang magkaroon ng 32,768 na affiliates. Pwede kang magkaroon ng tinatawag nating spillovers kasi too wide lang tayo. Walang pupuntahan yung mga susunod kundi under those top 2 people or those 2 people under you. Sa mga hindi nakakalam ng spillovers, mga affiliates yan ng sponsor ay mga uplines, okay? O yung mga tao na nasa taas mo pero pasok sa matrix mo kasi nauna kang nagpa-reserve at nilock in kagad yung position mo. You get rewarded for taking action quickly. Huwag kalimutan na sa matrix, one of the keys to success is to secure your spot quickly. Sama mo na ang family mo, friends, at sabay mag-build. Magandang misyon ng company, mga produkto, wholesale at quality. Live Good is the club membership that pays, at panalo sa 2x15 matrix. Ready na akong mag-join. Paano? So, how to join Live Good? Very simple. There are 2 steps. Pre-enroll. Kunin ang iyong sponsors or on-enrollers Powerline landing page. Type in name at working or valid email. Pag nagawa mo ito, nakapagpa-reserve ka na ng position mo sa matrix at 0 cost. Nasa waiting room ka. Gawin mo yung next step. Upgrade or lock in your position at the highest available position in the matrix. Nung nag-join ako, nag-pre-enroll ako at nilock in kagad yung position. Pag dumating ang isang disruptive opportunity katulad ng Live Good, huwag mag-take time. 2 choices. Either nasa front ka o nasa likod ka ng opportunity. Nung nagumpisa ang Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Bitcoin at iba pang billion-dollar companies, wish natin na sana part tayo nung nagumpisa. And for sure, nabago na ang buhay natin beyond our wildest imagination. Please remember that every Thursday, 12 midnight PST, US, lahat ng nag-lock-in ay ilalagay ng system sa highest available position for the week. Taking action quickly is an absolute necessity. So pre-enroll and upgrade very quickly. May dalawang options at low entry package lang ang mga to para maka-join ang masa sa 200 plus countries. So there are two options, okay? There are two options. One-time affiliate fee of $40 plus $9.95 your first month subscription for a total of $49.95. Option 2, one-time affiliate fee of $40 plus $99.95 your first year or your 1-year subscription for only $139.95. It's the best value kasi makakasave ka ng 20% at okay ka na for 1 year. Once upgraded ka na, mabibigyan ka ng magandang back office, okay, or virtual office. Diyan mo imo-monitor yung organization mo, pag-aralan ang produkto at negosyo, at syempre mag-withdraw ng commissions. Lahat gusto niyan. And among many other things, okay? Marami kang pwedeng gawin dyan sa it's a robust back office or virtual office. Magkakaroon ka rin ng 3 sites, okay? Yung corporate site, dyan bibili ang mga interesado sa wholesale price, retail site para sa mga customers, at pinaka-importante yung Powerline landing page na site. Ito yung isisend mo sa mga gustong magnegosyo katulad mo. These are your best tools para mapalago ang Live Good business mo in 200 plus countries. No inventory to maintain. Company na ang mag-ship sa'yo, sa customers at sa mga partners mo. You get training and support at kumita ng unlimited income. Nag-join na ako, paano ako kikita? May 7 ways to earn sa pay plan. Una, weekly fast start commissions. Bawat tao na ikaw ang nag-enroll o direct mo na nag-upgrade o nagbayad ng $49.95, kikita ka ng $25 or 50%. So, bali, dalawa lang na mag-join, bawi mo na ang $49.95 mo kasi may $50 fast start ka na. At dahil may dalawa kang direct affiliates, bronze ka na. At may additional 1 level or 2 levels na ang fast start mo. Pag silver, 4 level deep ang fast start mo. For example, sa level 2, may 10 upgrades times $5 or 10%, that's $50. Sa level 3, may 20 upgrades times $2.50 or 5%. That's $50. Sa level 4, may 40 upgrades times $2.50 or 5%. That's $75 for a total of $225 on top of your 50% on all your direct affiliates. May mga platinum at diamond affiliates na kumikita ng $1,000 to $4,000 weekly sa fast start. Umpisa ka sa $25, $50 at palakihin mo as you rank up all the way to diamond dahil up to 10 levels ang fast start commissions. Pangalawang kitaan ay matrix commissions. Kumikita tayo ng 2.5% sa bawat affiliate na nagbabayad ng subscription or membership fee na $9.95 and that's about 25 cents or 13 pesos and 75 centavos. Kapag ikay unranked, posibleng magkaroon ka ng 8,190 affiliates sa 2x12 matrix mo. Expandable ang matrix from 2x12 to 2x15 depende sa rank mo. So with 8,190 affiliates times 25 cents or 13 pesos and 75 centavos, pwede kang kumita ng $2,047.50 or about 112,000 pesos. Kapag ikaw naman ay bronze or silver, 16,382 affiliates ang pwedeng magkasya sa 2x13 na matrix mo. Times 25 cents equals $4,095.50 or about 225,000 pesos. Doble sa unrank. 2 tao lang na direct mo, doble na ang potential income mo kasi may dagdag na 1 level sa matrix mo from 2x12 to 2x13. Sa gold at platinum, pwede kang magkaroon ng 32,766 affiliates at ang potential matrix commission mo ay $8,190.50, about 450,000 pesos. And finally, the most rewarded position ay yung diamond. Potential matrix commission ay $16,383.50 or equivalent to about 901,000 pesos plus. Pag napuno ang 2x15 matrix mo with 65,534 affiliates. Pangatlong kitaan, matching bonuses. 50% ang pwede mong kitain sa matrix commissions ng lahat ng directs mo. For example, $2,000 ang matrix commission ng direct mo times 50%. Ang matching bonus mo ay $1,000 or 55,000 pesos. What if meron kang tatlo na kumikita ng $2,000 sa matrix? Meron kang $3,000 or 165,000 pesos. What if meron kang 10? Mahigit 500,000 pesos ang matching bonus mo. Up to 5th generation ang matching bonus, depende sa rank mo. Ito yung multiplier mo sa matching kasi kikita ka very, very deep in your organization. Lampas sa 2x15 matrix mo. Parang infinity bonus yan. Ito yung mga matching bonuses ng mga affiliates na kakilala ko. And remember, 6 months pa lang ang Live Good. For sure, lalaki pa yan ng todo. So the more na sinishare mo ang Live Good at marami kang natutulungan sa kanilang finances, you will be rewarded handsomely. Zig Ziglar said it best, you can get everything in life you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want. Pang-apat na kitaan ay retail commissions. Kasama sa package mo nung nag-join ka ay ang retail site mo. Every time na may bibili dyan, may 50% commissions ka. For example, may bumili ng Factor 4, a top-selling product ng Live Good. Customer price ay $29.95 less $18.50 member price equals $11.45. 50% niyan ay $5.725. Kumita ka ng about 315 pesos sa isang product. Not bad. Company nang mag-ship to 200 plus countries to all your customers. Wala kang inventory na i-maintain. Kikita ka rin sa mga customers ng affiliates mo. Depende sa rank mo at up to 10 levels yan kapag ikaw ay diamond. Okay? At syempre sa mga malalakas mag-retail, may additional income pa. Influencer bonuses. The 5th way to earn. May bracket to depending on your sales volume. Kapag umabot ka ng 2,500 pesos na volume sa isang buwan, may 10% ka. So, bali 60% na ang total retail commissions mo kapag i-combine mo ang retail commission at influencer bonus. Pwedeng umabot ng 50% ang influencer bonus mo, making your total retail commission to 100%. 6th way to earn is Diamond Bonus Pool. May 2% na nilaan ang company sa pool. Lahat ng total sales ng membership at produkto ay hinahati sa lahat ng mga qualified diamonds evenly. Remember that, evenly, and paid out with monthly commissions. Dahil split evenly ang pool sa mga diamonds, ang ibig sabihin nito kahit bago ka lamang na diamond, parehas ang amount na tatanggapin mo with the top earning diamonds. Sinadya talaga ng Live Good to para masaya lahat ang mga diamonds. Sa ibang kumpanya, may mga diamonds na tumatanggap ng $200 sa pool pero yung top earner nila ay $50,000. Dito, parehas ang laban. Sa ngayon, nasa $7,000 to $10,000 per diamond ang diamond bonus pool. Lalaki pa ito dahil parami ng parami ang nagjo-join sa Live Good. And of course, magdadagdag pa ng maraming products ang Live Good. 7th way to earn, Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. 0.5% ng total net sales ng membership at product sales ay hinahati evenly among all qualified Crown Diamonds and paid out monthly. Sa ngayon, isa pa lang ang Crown Diamond ng Live Good pero maraming nagsisikap na diamonds para maabot ang level na ito. Yan po ang 7 ways to earn ng Live Good Pay Plan. And the final part ng ating presentation, bakit Live Good? Una, low price, high quality, made in USA ang mga produkto. Tapos na ang mga araw ng pagbibenta ng overpriced products sa industriya ng network marketing. Pangalawa, powerful team building structure, 2x15 matrix na kung saan ang system na ang naglalagay sa mga affiliates, fair for everybody, and pay plan is designed to help the little guy succeed. Pangatlo, walang auto-ship o mga di abot kaya ng monthly maintenance. Bumili ka ng products kung kailangan o kung gusto mo. Walang team volume required para kumita. Mag-subscribe ka lang at minimal cost, okay ka na. $9.95 per month, or bayaran mo yung 1 year, $99.95, and run for Diamond. And number 4, remember the law of first. Ang Live Good ay ground floor opportunity with a low entry cost na may kasamang seamless system para mapalago mo ang iyong Live Good business from one country to another. May global presence ka na kapag ang mga business partners mo, mga prospects mo ay nag-join sa'yo from other or from many parts of the world.